Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the color of a text in Premiere Pro. So firstly, open up your Premiere Pro, and as you can see, I've already added a video footage onto my timeline. Now I will just simply add a text into my video timeline. So for doing that, just simply press T on the keyboard. That will bring the text tool, or you can just simply click over here. So after that, just simply click on the screen anywhere you may like, and then write whatever you want to write. For me, let's say moonlight. So now let me adjust the size of this text a little bit. And now let me show you how you can change the color of this text. So firstly, choose the text layer on the timeline, then go to Effect Control. Then double click on the text and highlight it. Then over in the effects control panel, just simply click on the drop down of the text, and over there you will find all the options related to the text. So for example, if I want to make this a capital text, just simply choose all caps and it will change into capital. And for this tutorial, we are checking how to change color. So let's say for this example, I want blue. So after choosing the color, just simply press OK. And then when I play this video, you can see the color of this text has been changed. So that's it. That's how you can change color of a text in Premiere Pro. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.